Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to delete PDF files in Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete PDF files in a Terabox app, first open up a Terabox app on your phone, as I have already opened the Terabox app over here. And after opening a Terabox app, guys, you'll land on this interface, which is the home interface of Terabox. Now over here you can see the documents button available for us just below the search bar and beside the videos button over here. Tap on the documents button over here, and all of the documents available on your Terabox app will be shown to you over here. And because I had currently uploaded only PDF files, only the PDF files are available for me over here. But in your case, if you had uploaded more type of files, all of the documents will be over here. Now in order to proceed to delete PDF files in Terabox, you can see, guys, these are the PDF files. Now in order to delete them, simply tap and hold on the file which you want to delete, and let's tap on another one. With that being done, guys, after the tick mark appear on these files at the right side, when we tap and hold on them, the menu will be available for us at the bottom of the screen, where at the middle section of the screen you can see the delete button available for us. Tap on the delete button at the bottom of middle of the screen. By doing that, guys, again this interface will appear. Again tap on delete. With that being done, guys, your PDF file will be sent to the recycle bin of your Terabox app, and after 10 days that PDF file will be deleted permanently. And with that being said, guys, let's delete these two PDF files as well. Let's tap and hold on it, and let's select by tapping on them, and let's tap on the delete button at the bottom of the screen, and let's again tap on delete. And there, guys, this is how you will be able to delete PDF files in Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.